So you're in or getting into sonic sifters, but the sieves that they use are kind of different, right? So what exactly is a sonic sieve? Well, stick around and I'll tell you everything you need to know. Hey there, my name's Andrew Kotlar, and back in the 70s, sonic sifter technology redefined how fine particles were tested. The idea behind sonic sifters was to mimic the performance of a wet sieving analysis without the risk of mess or water damage. Now, all sonic separators use specialized test sieves called sonic sieves. These sonic sieves are different from the traditional test sieves that have been used in mechanical sieve shakers for decades. So what exactly makes them different from standard test sieves? Well, here at WS Tyler, we strive to leverage the 150 years of particle size analysis within our four walls to help you develop trust in particle size analysis equipment that may be new to you and your process. So to help you with that, we'll go over what a sonic sieve is, how sonic sieves compare to traditional test sieves, the particles that can be tested with sonic sieves, and the costs associated with sonic sieves. Sonic sieves are specialty test sieves specifically designed to be used with either the L3P sonic sifter separator or the Verisifter sonic separator. This means they're only available with a standard 3-inch diameter and a 5/8 of an inch frame height. Now, these sieves consist of two components: the mesh and the frame. When being put together, the sieve cloth is placed onto a fixture and glued onto the frame. Along with the sonic sieves themselves, there's other components that come into play when putting your sieve stack together. A complete sieve stack assembly consists of your sonic sieves, a column lock, a latex diaphragm, a top cone, an acrylic spacer, a fines collector, and a fines collector holder. So the column lock secures the sieve stack to the fines collector and allows the whole assembly to be inserted into the sonic sifter device. The latex diaphragm amplifies the sonic waves to create an oscillating air column and promote particle movement. The top cone is placed on top of the highest sieve in your stack and essentially connects the diaphragm to the rest of the column. The acrylic spacers fill any voids you may have when the test sieve stack is less than 6 sieves. And because the stack assembly hardware is fixed and non-adjustable, your sonic sieve stack must consist of 6 sieves for the device to work. The fines collector is a latex bladder designed to collect the finer particles that pass through all the sieves in the stack. And the fines collector holder holds the fines collector in place while also serving as the pressure point between the top and the bottom of the assembly. Test sieves are almost always associated with the metallic 8 or 12-inch frame sieves that have been used in sieve shakers for decades. But sonic sieves are vastly different because they're constructed from a clear acrylic frame. These acrylic frames allow you to observe and evaluate your procedures as they're happening, which obviously can't be done with metallic sieves. And since sonic sifter devices use a sonic pulse from the top to agitate the sample material in your sieve stack, being able to see how the particles are moving throughout the stack allows you to fine-tune the frequency and the amplitude of the sonic sifter device. This ensures you are obtaining results that are both accurate and efficient. The range of particles you can test with a stack of sonic sieves is one of the most important aspects of why they exist, since they're designed to test finer particles. The largest sonic sieve opening you can purchase is a US 3.5, which is equivalent to 5.6 millimeters. Sieve sizes go all the way down to US 635, which is equivalent to 20 micron. Sonic sieves have a price range of $109.68 to $417.29. Since there's no alloy options for the mesh or frame, the primary contributor to this price is the mesh count of the sieve cloth. And lastly, you can also choose to have your sieve certified. Inspection grade certification costs an additional $109.28, and calibration grade calibration costs an additional $182.05. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn even more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click that second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name's Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.